Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Today we will make a simple stopwatch using HTML CSS and JavaScript. So let's begin. So let us first add our basic files. One is index.html and then script.js for the JavaScript, and lastly we will add our style.css for styling our web page. Okay, after adding our basic boilerplate, we'll change the title. We'll keep it as stopwatch. We'll link our CSS file, and below we will link our JavaScript file. Okay, just check everything is working properly just by printing hello. Okay, everything looks good. Let's proceed. Okay, let's just start with our structure. We'll keep one container inside which another div called timer, and inside this we'll keep our digit and text. Okay, and below we will add our buttons inside another div called container button. Okay, let's add the digit and the text. Okay, we can see that it is coming in two lines because we have taken div. Let's take span because it is an inline container. Okay, yeah, now you can see it is coming in single line. So same we will copy for our minute, second, and one for count. For count we don't need the text, so we'll remove that. Yeah, okay, let's add the buttons. We need 3 buttons. One is start, reset, and stop. Okay, so our basic stopwatch structure is ready. Now we'll go to styling. Let's style our stopwatch. For the whole web page we will just put padding 0 and margin 0, and then for the body we will give one background color, a little grayish color. Then display we will keep it as flex, and justify context center, and align, we will align those items to the center, and height we will give it around 100 VH. Okay, now the thing has come to the center. Okay, I forgot to add the heading. Let's add one heading stopwatch, and then we'll style the container. Container will give the color as white, which will make the font color as white. See, okay. Next we will style the heading. Heading will give a font size around 10 VH, and let's give some margin. Now let's work on our digits. Okay, so we call the class, this is the class, digit class, and we'll increase the font size a little bit, quite a bit actually, and font weight we will make it little bolder. Okay, for the text also we will add our font size, font weight, and the color. Okay, now let's style the buttons. Let's copy the ID container button. Okay, We need different colors, background color for different buttons, so we'll select our ID. Let's add some box shadow to our buttons. We need to correct one thing, it will be 0.24. So now we are getting a light shadow around our button. Similarly, we will do it for other buttons also. So let me tell you what is that A stands for in RGBA. It is normally called as alpha. You can see the value for this is normally 0.0 to 1.0. It's normally represent the transparency. See, if we put it 0, it is full transparent, and if we increase, the transparency decreases. Okay. Styling for our stopwatch is completed. So this is how it is looking now. So let's go to our JavaScript part. For that, we will add one ID to our span, and we'll see why we need this later. Okay, when we will click the button, we want the stopwatch to start or stop or reset. For that, we have to add one on-click function. So for start, we are adding one start function, for reset one reset function, and for stop we are adding one stop function. Now let's come to the JavaScript part, and first we will declare all the variable, that is hour, minute, second and count to 0. Now we will declare those three functions, the start function, reset function and the stop function. And one main function, that is the stopwatch function. We will also create one variable called timer, and at the beginning we will assign it as false. Whenever we will start the stopwatch, the timer should be true, and when we will select reset, it should be false, and same for stop. And inside the stopwatch function, we'll call one set timeout and call the same function stopwatch, and the waiting time will be 10 milliseconds. So after every 10 milliseconds, this stopwatch function will be called. This is what set timeout is. So this stopwatch function will only work when the timer is true. So whenever we click on the start button, the stopwatch should start, right? So inside this, if what we will do, we will increase the count by 1, and to display what we will do, we will change the inner HTML. It is not working because we need to call that function when we click the button, right? So we will call that function, and see, now it is working, but it is not working properly. because the set timeout here, yeah, that function we need to keep between double quotation. Yeah, now it is working fine. Next logic is when the count reaches 100, the second should increase by 1 and the count should start from 0 again. So we can see the second is increasing by 1 every time the count reaches 100. Now when the second reaches 60, what we'll need? We need to increase minute by 1. So same logic. Similarly, when minute reaches 60, we need to increase the hour by 1. So same logic again. So we're done with the implementation of the stopwatch, but when we reset the stopwatch, we need everything to be 0, 0, 0, like same it was in the starting. For that, inside the reset function, we will again reassign the value to 0. And we will change the inner HTML to 0, 0. We will actually pass a string, not a number. Inside double quotes, we will assign 0, 0. So, working perfectly. So now we want, whenever we click on the start button, the background color will change to green. So what we have to do? We have to do document.body.style.background color and we have to change it to green. Similarly, we'll copy that and come to this reset function and keep it, for example, blue. And for stop, let's keep the background color as brown. So for reset, let's keep the actual background color, that is the grayish color we used. So we have completed our stopwatch. Really thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.